Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to transfer both bookmarks and passwords from Firefox to OperaGX in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to open your Firefox web browser. Then you need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus O in order to open the bookmark library. So once you are inside the bookmark library, simply click on the option of bookmark and backup. There you will be able to see the option of export bookmarks to HTML. You need to select that option and a file will be saved on your desktop, which you are going to use in your OperaGX later. Now if Firefox, you can also go to the passwords section, or you can also simply type this particular command in the search bar, which is about logins, and then you are going to see the export logins option. You can download all of the passwords in the form of CSV. You may need to confirm it with the help of your system password. So once you have it, you need to simply launch your OperaGX web browser. Over here, you can either press Ctrl plus Shift plus B in order to access the bookmark manager, or you can also click on the settings icon here in the left hand section and click on the option of bookmark here in the top. Now, whichever method you choose, you will be landed here on this page where you are going to see this import bookmark option. You need to simply click on it and wait for some time until it shows you this type of pop-up in front of you. Over here, you need to first of all select the web browser that you are using in order to import the bookmarks, which in our case is Firefox. So over here, you need to select Firefox. If the Firefox is not available here, make sure that you keep on selecting Chrome. After that, simply click on the option of import and select that particular file which you have exported from your Firefox web browser. Then you need to wait for some time until it is exporting successfully. Now, in order to get the passwords, you can simply just open this particular command in your web browser, that is opera:\flags. Over here, you can simply search for password import and enable that option. Then you can return to the settings and import the CSV file from the Firefox. So this way you will be able to transfer bookmarks and passwords from Firefox to OperaGX in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.